Hi, my name is Muhammad Ifan bin Muhammad Fauzi. My metric number is 10DE21F1072.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Dini bin Hawari. My level matrix 10DE21F1055. So, we are from DE3B.
Okay, so today we are doing English presentation.
Kenapa awak tak cakap dari mula? Termarah.
Okay, so we gonna show you 10 steps how to wire a doorbell. So, step number 1, shut off power to the area at the breaker box. Locate your breaker box in your garage, basement or on the side of your home. So, step number 2, use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the doorbell. Locate the screws mounting the doorbell to the outer wall or door casing of your home. Take a screwdriver or power drill and remove the screws to allow access to wiring on the back side of the doorbell. Next step, disconnect the wires with a screwdriver and remove the doorbell. Look on the back side of the doorbell to find the wires connected to it. Take your screwdriver and loosen the terminal screws holding the wires in place. Slide the wires out of the terminals and remove the old doorbell. Step number 4, bend the top wire to remember which one is which. The doorbell has 2 wires connected to it, one at the top and one at the bottom. And it's important that you remember which one is which so you can hook up the new one properly. Take the top wire and bend the end of it so you can tell them apart. Step number 5, reconnect the wires to the terminals on your new doorbell. Remove the new doorbell from its packaging and locate the terminals on the back side. Connect the top wire to the upper terminal and the bottom wire to the lower one. Use your screwdriver to tighten the terminals so the wires are held securely.
So, I will continue 5 more steps. So, step 6, flip on the breaker and screw the doorbell into place. Restore power to the area by flipping the switch back to its original position. So, press the doorbell button to see if it works. So, if it does, use the screwdriver or a drill to fasten the doorbell to your wall or door casing using the screw that came with it. After that, step 7, flip the breaker switch to cut off the power to the area. Before you begin working, locate your breaker box in your garage, basement or on the side of your home. Flip the switch that controls power to the area that you are installing your doorbell so you can work safely. Step number 8, locate the doorbell transformer in the outlet box near the door. A doorbell transformer is an electrical component that literally transforms power from a higher voltage to a lower one to power your doorbell and chimes. Step number 9, attach 16 AWG wire from the bottom terminal to the chimes. Locate your doorbell chimes, which are usually on the wall in the front hall or living room near the front door. So, last step, we restore the power and screw the doorbell onto the wall. Once everything is connected, flip the breaker switch back on the restore the power. Press the doorbell button to make sure it's working and use a screwdriver or power drill to fasten the doorbell to the outside wall or door casing of your home to finish the job. So that's all 10 steps how to wire a doorbell.
So for dangerous thing that we should know is number 1, it's very important that you shut off the power to avoid shocking yourself. Number 2, don't yank or force the wires so you don't accidentally damage or strip them. Number 3, do not install during rain or while wet hand.
Number 4, do not let children near during installation. And lastly, use a casing on the doorbell so that it lasts longer when it's hot and rainy.
So that's all from us.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.